beloved child, I speak to you from the depths of my divine heart, for you are infinitely precious to me. Hear these words not just with your ears, but with your soul, for they are whispered just for you. I ask for a sacred moment of your attention, to hear my voice above every noise, above every worry, every distraction. What I have to say carries greater weight than anything else on your mind. Stay here with me, just a little longer. Open your heart and let me lift the burdens that weigh you down. Let me silence the storm of thoughts that steal your peace. I am near, offering serenity this world cannot give. Come, trust me with your heart. Allow yourself to be fully, completely loved. I am the faithful one, keeper of every promise, and my words are drenched in purpose. I am here to lift your weary spirit, to place joy on your lips every morning. As you seek me, know this with certainty. You are deeply, eternally loved. I don't just want you to know it in theory. I want you to feel it, to carry it like fire within your bones, so your heart can rejoice again. I have never left your side, not for a moment. You are etched into the palm of my hand, secure, safe, and sheltered in my presence. Place your trust in me completely. My arms are always open wide. I hear every cry, every whispered prayer that escapes your lips. As you awaken to each new day, breathe deeply and recognize my presence surrounds you. I take delight in your morning greetings, full of trust and hope. I listen. I answer every prayer birthed from love. Your heart warms mine when you pray for your family. It means more to me than you know. Don't let your focus drift to the fleeting or the shallow. When life becomes chaotic, when pain overwhelms, come. I am your peace in the storm. I don't want fear to hold you captive, or anxiety to steal your rest. You've trusted me before, and I've never failed you. Hold tightly to my word. Hide it deep within your heart. Remember what I've done for you. The rescues, the miracles, the moments of mercy. Even when all hope seemed lost, I came through strong and sure. I am still the God of wonders, and I long to move mightily again on your behalf. Let me help you. Let me protect you day and night. Don't let despair take root, for you are deeply loved. I see your tears. I hear your prayers for others. You intercede with compassion, even when you ask nothing for yourself. That humility touches me. When your heart overflows with worship and thanksgiving, even in silence, I hear your faith, and I will bless you beyond what you've imagined. Let your faith remain unshakable. I will fulfill what I've promised. Obstacles may rise, but they cannot stand against my plans. Your destiny is held in my hands. You will reach your purpose. You will see dreams come alive. Nothing can steal what I've ordained for you. But remain faithful. Remain sincere. Seek me with a heart full of gratitude. Let praise rise with the dawn. Don't let shadows of negativity dim your light. Embrace every opportunity I place before you. I will give you eyes to see beyond the surface, to understand my thoughts and plans for you. I know the days have felt heavy. Pain has tried to cloud your clarity. But hear me now. No harm will overtake you. You will not be disgraced. You will defeat the enemies that surround you. You will rise in victory, strong and steady in my name. It's time to see your worth through my eyes. You are my beloved, my chosen, a radiant reflection of my glory. No force can stand against you. No voice can cancel your victory. You are more than a conqueror. You are already triumphant. Let go of past defeat. I will move mountains on your behalf. Your prayers will carry new authority, rooted in divine confidence. You will walk in strength. Discouragement will have no place in you. Sadness will lose its grip. Joy will rise. I know family struggles have left you weary, that your heart has ached for healing. Take time to rest in me. Let my spirit minister to your soul. You were not made to live defeated. Even when you cry, I hold you close. Even when you feel broken, I come to lift you up again. You will not stay in darkness. Your heart is pure and beautiful. Step into the light. Let joy return to your face. Others will see your radiance and praise my name, for you are a living testimony of my love. I have done great things for you, and I will do even greater. I remind you once more, there is no time for discouragement, no room for retreat. You are my sharpened arrow, cutting through resistance, opening paths to the blessings I've prepared. I will expand your vision so you understand. You are a spiritual parent to generations.